So quite often when you're editing voiceover and music together, you want to make sure that the music is kind of dipping down in volume whenever you speak. So, when you're listening to the radio and there's a DJ who's talking and they have maybe some background music and it automatically kind of what we call ducks down. Well, that's a technique called ducking. Another technique you can use to achieve the same effect is something called sidechain compression. But ducking is really the kind of simple form of just reducing one signal as a result of another. And it's weird that a lot of packages like Premiere Pro and Final Cut don't actually have this by default. But one great application that does have this, and which you can download a free trial of, is Screenflow for Mac. So what you do is you just take your two sound sources. So in this example, you don't need to worry about the fact that this is a video app. By the way, we can use this for audio. You export from Premiere or from Final Cut Pro or DaVinci, whatever you're using. Export your two bits of audio separately. So I've got one track with all of my vocal on it and another track with my ambient and music on it. And you can see the problem I'm trying to solve, which is that one track, the music, is just really too overpowering compared to the vocal. So if I play both,
finishing with making a build of your game,
you really can't actually hear what the voiceover is saying. But Screenflow solves this in one click, which is absolutely awesome. So all you do is you select a track, you go to the audio button up here, and you choose ducking. So ducking will cause the volume of other active clips in the timeline to reduce when sound is detected in the selected clip. So if I check this box, we're basically saying how much we want the other tracks to still come through. So let's try that out now.
This stealth game covers the Unity editor base.
So you can tell the difference if I switch that back.
This stealth game covers the...
Now I might want to actually have it even stronger. So maybe I'll set ducking to maybe 50%.
This stealth game covers the Unity...
Actually, that's the wrong way around. So I might set it to something like 5%, which is...
This stealth game covers the Unity...
Which is what is left over, I beg your pardon.
3D beginner.
So you can hear if I get into the more intensive part of the music, which is over here.
Models, cameras, audio and more. Finishing with making a build of your game. Guide. And
you can hear the music kind of jump back up and then smooth just in time. It looks ahead before the next peak comes in.
Unity Learn. John Lemon's...
So you can...
To download from Unity.
So then you get that kind of perfect mix. Then all we simply do is just go to File and Export. And you can choose manual type and just choose lossless audio. That outputs an AF file, which is just as good as a WAV. And you can call this mastered audio and save it. And it's as simple as that. Now with a free trial of Screenflow, you get a watermark on the video, but we're not exporting the video. So I do suggest you buy Screenflow. It's super useful for all of your screen capture needs. I don't work for them. I'm just kind of saying, but you can just use it for audio if you want to as well. And it's a one-click duck your audio solution that I have no idea why it doesn't exist in all kinds of other applications. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.